let's take a look at laboratory training and T groups. Organizational development can be traced back to training laboratory efforts that began in 1946 in Bethel, Maine. A German immigrant, Lewin, was a social psychologist at the University of Iowa. Lewin's work was an effort to understand and create personal and social change with the objective of building and growing democracy in society. In 1945, Lewin established a research center for group dynamics. The Connecticut International Commission asked Lewin to develop a workshop for community leaders in association with the Commission on Community Interrelations of the American Jewish Congress. The objective of the workshop was to assist community leaders in developing solutions to problems they faced in their communities, specifically in the implementation of the Fair Employment Practices Act. The researchers observed and interpreted the participants' actions during the day and discussed their findings in the evenings while the participants listened. This exchange led to a promising new pattern in which researchers reported on their observations and the participants listened, reflected, and shared their own interpretations of their own behavior. The training group, or T group, was born. In open and honest sessions in which authenticity and forthright communication were prized, group members spent time analyzing their own and others' contributions as well as the group's process. The common objective of each T group was to create interpersonal change by allowing individuals to learn about their own and others' behavior, so that this could be translated into more effective behavior when they returned home. As the word spread about effectiveness of T group laboratory method, managers and leaders began to attend and learn how to increase effectiveness in their own organizations. Lewin's research had a significant influence on OD in leadership and management research. Though it's no longer representative of mainstream OD practice, we see the roots of this method today in team-building intervention. Lewin also influenced another tradition in the history of organizational development: action research and survey feedback.